Alia, sixth one. Please unmute yourself, Alia.
Ma'am, a hen.
Okay. Ocean.
Ma'am, I am unmuted.
Ocean.
An ocean.
Correct. Now you can mute yourself. Anant Jain.
An ocean.
Correct, Alia, you can mute yourself. Anant. Eight. Yes, yes. No. No. Here H is silent, beta. In this, H is silent. So we'll write an here. Okay. Next one. Nine. Yes, state, correct. Then forest. Last one also.
Forest.
Forest. Correct, Anand. All of you recheck your answers, everyone. Check your answers, everyone. Done? Done, everyone? So now let's move to the B part. We'll do the B part now. Complete these sentences with a or an. So you have to use only a or an. First one is already done for you. We had a party last weekend. Now next one, number 2 is for Ansh Bansal. Rekha took dash boat to cross the river.
Rekha took a boat to cross the river.
Correct, mute yourself. Shraddhanjali, third one. The clown played dash accordion at the circus. Shraddhanjali, unmute yourself, beta, and tell me
Yes.
which article you will use. A or an?
And
Yes, beta. It is starting with letter A, so we'll write an here. Correct answer. Next one is for Rudra Dikshit. I had dash cup of tea and dash apple pie.
I had an cup of tea and a apple piece.
No. We'll use and before cup. Rudra.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me the answer again, beta. Before cup, which article?
A. Ma'am, first is the N and second is A.
Okay, Kinshuk.
Yes, ma'am.
Kinshuk, is this right?
No, ma'am.
So,
Ma'am, I had a cup of tea and an apple pie.
yes, Rudra. But you were telling opposite. Correct, Kinshuk. Correct answer. Mute yourself, Kinshuk. A cup of tea and an apple pie. Okay, because C is the consonant, so you will use article, and in apple, is the vowel, so we'll use an article. Harshita, next one. Dash explorer must be a brave man.
Ma'am, and
Correct. And next one is for Sakhipreet. Unmute yourself. Harshita, mute yourself. The news today is dash interesting paper.
the news today is dash interesting paper. The news today is an interesting paper.
Correct. Mute yourself. Next is for Devik Singh. Devik Singh, our teacher told us how to prepare for dash test.
A teacher told us paper for test.
Tell me the answer, or an. Devik. Devik, are you in the class? Devik Singh.
Yes, sir.
Tell me the answer. Or and beta. Test. Just look at the first letter. T. T is the consonant or the vowel, beta? Devik, can you hear me?
Yeah. Ah.
What? What is the answer? I think you're yes.
On.
On. Your voice is breaking, beta. Okay, I'll ask from someone else. Arnav, please tell me the answer of the seventh one.
Our teacher told us how to prepare for dash test. Our teacher told us how to prepare for a test.
Correct, a test, because T is the consonant. Yes, Arjun Chaudhary, next one. Nishi gave dash shriek when she saw dash face outside the window.
Nisha gave a shriek when she saw Anne face outside the window.
And face, or a face.
And
F is the vowel. How many vowels are there, Arjun?
face outside the window.
Think. How many vowels are there? First of all, tell me how many vowels are there. How many vowels are there, Arjun? First of all, answer this.
Face.
Leave that sentence. First of all, answer me. How many vowels are there? Arjun, can you hear me?
Nisha gave dash shriek when she saw dash face outside the window.
First of all, tell me how many vowels are there? कितने vowels होते हैं? You know how many vowels are there, Arjun? Very bad, Arjun. Who is going to tell me how many vowels are there? Ishan. And listen carefully. Vowels. You are not paying attention. Your voice is breaking. Divyansh, you tell me. Arjun, have you attended the last class? The previous class? In which I explained
morning,
articles?
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Divyansh. Tell me how many vowels are there?
There are 5 vowels.
Name them.
A, E, I, O, U.
So, which article will use before face?
Ma'am, A.
Why?
And because F is consonant.
Yes, because F is the consonant. Correct. Now, Arjun, how many vowels are there?
A, E, I, O, U.
And F, this is the vowel.
No.
So, we'll write a article here, not an. Okay. So, before the vowel and from vowel sound, we use an article. So, we'll write a article here. Okay. And pay attention in the class also. Next one is for Arsh. Dash parrot was eating dash guava. Unmute yourself first of all.
A parrot was eating a guava.
Correct. Anvi, last one.
Okay, ma'am. This exercise has a beginning and an end.
Correct. A beginning and an end. Correct. Done. You all have done this.
Then I will give answer.
Wait, Ashna. Next time I'll ask. Okay. This exercise we have completed C part. In C part, I'll ask from you also. Okay. So you all have done this. Quickly write down the answers, everyone. Arnav, wait, I'll ask from you also. Wait. First of all, complete this exercise B part. All of you all have completed this. Okay, done. So you all have done. Show me thumbs up that you all have done B part. Done. Devik, done. Devik Singh. Okay, done. Okay, you all have done. So let's move to the C part. Come to C part on page number 37. Write down date also here. Write down date on C part also. So Ishika, first you will give me the answer of this one. First one is already done for you. I like the blue vase over there better than the red one. So next one. Their car gives 160 miles dash hour.
Their car gives 160 miles an hour.
This we have done on page number 36 also. In A part, in exercise A. We have done now, and I explained you also.
Yes, ma'am.
So which article will use? Okay, when you speak this word H-O-U-R, so the sound of H is silent or not? Just speak
Yes,
that
ma'am.
word. Speak that word. We say har, or we say R. R, or we
R.
say, we don't say har, na? H is silent, na? So the
Yes, ma'am.
sound of consonant or vowel is there. Which sound is there? Sound of the consonant is there or vowel is there?
Sounds of vowel.
Then which article will use for
An hour.
Yes, now this is right. Anna. Okay. So don't make these mistakes, beta. Next one is for, where is Harshi and Dishika? Raise your hand, Harshi and Dishika. Here you are. Unmute yourself. One answer you will give me. Third, Harshi will give me, and fourth, Dishika will tell me. Where is dash book I lent you last week? So here we are talking about the book which the boy or the girl, whosoever is there, lent, which I lent you last week. So here we are talking about some particular book. So which article will use?
Morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Harshika, tell me the third one.
Where is the book I lent you last week?
Yes, correct. Dishika, next one. She lives in dash
She lives
old.
in.
Yes.
She lives. She lives in the old location in Mumbai.
In an old locality in Mumbai. Okay. In an,
Okay, ma'am.
not the. Okay. It means we are talking about. It means we are talking about any particular shop. Same
Yes.
coffee shop. So it means we are talking about that same coffee shop. Particular shop.
Yes.
So we'll use the article here, beta. If you will use a, it means to jayega any coffee shop. But we are not going to any coffee shop now, but we are going to the same coffee shop. So it means that is specific one, particular one. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So next one is, his father is an engineer. Okay. An engineer. Next, Ashna, you will tell me seventh one. Ashna, seventh one.
Yes, ma'am. There was fault in the wing of the house. There was a fault in the
Wiring.
wing of the house.
That is not wing, that is wiring. Wiring. A fault. Correct. There was a fault. एक fault था. There was a fault in the wiring of the house. Wiring होती है ना electricity की wiring, that wiring here. Okay, a fault. Correct answer. Next one is for Kinshuk. We had dash heavy breakfast today.
Ma'am, we had a heavy breakfast today.
Correct. A heavy breakfast today. Correct. Rudru, next one. Mahesh has dash terrible headache. Rudru. Rudru, quickly unmute yourself, beta.
Yes, ma'am.
Mahesh has dash terrible headache.
Mahesh has a terrible
Headache.
headache.
Correct. Mute yourself. Last one is for who is Shivan Sharma? Please open your camera. Shivan Sharma, open your camera. Shivan Sharma, open your camera. Okay, I'm removing you from the class then. If you will not open your camera, then I'll remove you from the class. Shivan Sharma, please open your camera. Shivan Sharma. Drishti Sharma. Okay, you are there. So why don't you log in with your name, beta? Last one. We played a football match this afternoon. You can write a or you can write the also. No problem in both. A or the, you can write both. Exercise D is in your homework. Okay, exercise D, that is in your homework. You will do it yourself.